the burning sand, footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the djembe call my name like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place. Every rhythm, every tone feels like calling me back home. Something ancient wakes inside like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Hey, fire beneath the skin, let the tribal war begin. Hey, no more losing, no more sin. Break it down from the stories told. No chains, no control. We are more than just a soul. From the dust we The ground is breathing. The ground is breathing. broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Rise up. Rise up. Break the sky. We don't live, we never die. From the ashes we unite. Drums of war in the night. I feel the city in my veins. I feel the fire in my pain. No control, no reason why. We are the storm that never dies. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar scream. We are more than just a dream. No chains left, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. carving